Good morning traders and welcome to the daily call today, Wednesday the 7th of June. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Alright, let us get started and have a look at what's happened yesterday. The only major news events yesterday were from Australia. They were local, and it was the RBA rate announcement and their policy. Now, the Reserve Bank of Australia left rates unchanged yesterday, and really it was no surprise. And as a result, the Australian dollar actually rallied, even though the RBA did say that an appreciating currency would complicate our economic adjustments, and they felt that an unchanged policy is consistent with meeting inflation targets and a sustainable economic growth. So there you have it. Aussie dollar rates unchanged, and it didn't seem to bother the market too much as the Aussie dollar rallied a little bit on that one. All right, that was pretty much everything from yesterday. Let us take a look at our chart of the day. Now, today's chart of the day is a continuation on the chart that I tweeted yesterday. It is the Euro USD on a daily. We have now produced two sets of inside candles along each other. So let me just zoom in. Now you can see from my chart here, it's a clear channel that we are tracking, and we are on a second or a third touch up the top. Let me zoom in a little bit and take a closer look at this particular one. You can see that yesterday we had a set of inside candles over here. Today we've produced another set of inside candles. So what we're doing is we're just adjusting our pending order to the break of the most recent inside candle, and if we should break, well then basically we are on and we will be taking this trade in the downward direction. If we do trigger, this will be a trading challenge trade as it meets all my criteria. So all that remains now to see if we actually do trigger, or if we break the top side, then we must go back and cancel our order out. Okay, so there you have it. Our chart of the day today is the Euro USD, and it also forms part of the trading challenge. What's coming up in the session that is about to unfold for us? Still not much news, but at 11:30 today we have in Australia we have the GDP numbers, and then later just after midnight, 12:30, we have from the US crude oil inventory. So that's more for Canadian and dollar traders. That's pretty much all that we have in the session that's about to kick off. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us. If you do have any questions, follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, I hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.